Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that is one drop dead gorgeous 69 Chevelle with a 454 under the hood. Look at the paint on this thing. Absolutely beautiful paint job on it. She is gorgeous. We got brand new chrome up front, all the aluminum, all the stainless, everything looking sweet. All the body lines are matched up nice, looking sweet. The Chevelle emblem here also looking sweet. I mean, everything about this car just looking absolutely beautiful. Completely restored. Now, the bottom of the car is also beautiful. She is an automatic. It's got a killer stance on it. As you can see, those Cragars and those BFGs, the black stripe going down the side. I mean, take a look at the way the door fits the fender, all flush. Nice even gap here. We got nice chrome. Looks like all the moldings here have been replaced. The vinyl top's in beautiful shape. I mean, she is a beauty. And then we've got black interior in here. We got a great looking door panel here. Looks like it's brand new. We got good looking carpeting in there. The center console's looking sweet. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. Looks like there's 3 seat belts in the back. The headliner's looking good, the dome light's working, the shoulder belts are there, the visors are in good shape. We got great looking steering wheel, the gauges are all looking sweet, the dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. One sweet Chevelle, probably one of the most popular years, also being a 69. Remember the 68s had the little skinny tail lights, the 69s have the bigger ones. We got great looking chrome here, the exhaust tips are looking good, all the trim back here is looking sweet. Looks like I got something, maybe original keys here too, which is kind of cool. Then inside the trunk, oh, it looks like we got some original parts. Looks like some, maybe some pieces of a build sheet or something in there. Looking good. And look at the trunk floor in here. Now you want to make sure you always pull up that mat, look underneath the mat. You can see all the finishes in here looking good. The wheel well's looking good. It does look like there's a spare tire in here. I do not see the jack in there though, but there is a spare tire. You're going to call AAA if you have a tire problem anyway. Now the bottom side of the lip here looks good. All these lips look great. The trims here around the tail lights, I always look at those on Chevelles. As you can see, the stance on it is killer, man. She just looks sweet as can be. Looks just like back in high school, baby. Got the back end jacked up, got the biggest tire you can fit on the back there. This door is also nice and flush like the driver's door. Everything looking sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this car, so you know we did our homework and checked it out before we bought it. Then we bring it here to the shop and we inspect them up on the lift, take pictures and do a video of the bottom side so you know exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it in your driveway. All right, we're in the Chevelle now. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to drive it today. It's nasty outside, it's raining, it's cold, and we don't wanna take this beauty out in the rain and the cold. You can see that the finishes on the dash look great. It's still got the AM radio in it. The faces of the gauges look good. The chrome on the gauges look good. The finish on the dash is looking sweet. I mean, this baby's from 1969. It's got a good looking steering wheel on it. We do have aftermarket gauges under the dash there. You can see the carpeting all looks good. Center console's looking sweet. I mean, everything about this car is just absolutely gorgeous, guys. She's the right year. It's got the right motor in it. She's black interior, looking sweet, and we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974 9513. And we can help with financing too if you need help with that. Now, if you'd like to send an inspector, we'd love to see you. Or come on up yourself. We'd love to see you. So call Tom anytime and we'll park this dream in your driveway. All right, we're underneath the 69 now, and it is pretty under here. As you can see, she's got a brand new gas tank on here. Now the floors have been all cleaned up, and it looks like it's got a real tight bed liner material. You can see that the frame's all nicely painted. They've painted the exhaust with some high heat paint. We got this nice aluminum cover. It's a trick flow cover here on this 12 bolt. These two bolts right here actually put extra pressure on the main caps, which gives it a lot more strength. 323 gear in there, and it is a limited slip. We got a sway bar back here. We got drum brakes. We got new brake lines. You can see it's got new parking brake cables here. It's got a real nice hanger system here, hanging the exhaust. It looks like we got a brand new fuel line, a brand new brake line going front to back. The floors are all nicely coated up here also. You can see that even the insides of the frame have been painted. I see new body bushings here also. We got a turbo 400 trans that is a 3-speed automatic, similar to what would have came in the car originally. It's got a nice bright aluminum pan all polished up. It's got jet coated headers. It's got a stock appearing starter on it. These are the trans lines. The trans cooler lines, I should say. Looks like the springs have been painted up. Looks like the shocks are new. All the suspension parts here look like they're brand new. Sway bar's been painted up to make it look like bare metal. Gearbox also has been painted up to make it look like bare metal. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support's all nice and straight, looking sweet. You can see the chrome even on the back side of the bumper. It's nice and clean. You can see the tires look like they're probably brand new. I see the nubs are still on there. The Cragars also look like they're brand new. We got two 25/60 15s. Somebody's testing a horn out over there. We got bottom side of the rocker, bottom side of the front fender, everything nice and clean. That pinch weld's looking good. This frame is nicely painted on all 4 sides. She is a beauty. Now out back here, we have got two 75/60 15s back here. And again, tires look like they're brand new. Rims also look like they're brand new. Wheel wells are nice and clean. Wheel lip molding looks like it's brand new. We're gonna get under the hood for you right now. All right, we're under the hood here where we got 454 power, baby. Obviously this is a transplanted motor, so she's been built up, looking sweet. It's got a Performer RPM intake on it. That's an aluminum Edelbrock. It's got a 780 Holley on it. That's a dual feed carb there. We've got power brakes, power steering. You can see the firewall's all nicely painted. It's got an HEI distributor in there. You see the inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. Now the hinges have been painted up to make them look like bare metal. The motor's all nicely painted. The bottom side of the hood's chassis black. It's got brand new insulation in the hood there. You can see they used all the correct hose clamps and everything that would have been used back in the day. We got GM markings on all the hoses, the fan shrouds there. I mean, everything is just as neat as can be on this thing. Even the rag joint down there on the steering box looks like it's brand new. Core support's all painted up, looking good. Guys, this is one amazing car, so give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.